Everyone, it's Anrae Reotutar, your digital nest correspondent. Safer at home, but hungry for a way to pass time? I'm sure by now most of us have already reorganized our homes, watched everything possible on Netflix, and have our go-to workout routine set. So, what do we do now? Why not try learning a new skill and being creative with the newfound time we all have? I put together a quick 4-minute video on how to bake a chocolate cake using only 2 ingredients. Our first ingredient are 4 eggs, and we'll separate our egg yolk and egg white into separate bowls. Next, we are going to take our egg whites and use a hand mixer and mix them until it comes out fluffy. After a few minutes, this is the texture that we'll be looking for. Our second ingredient is 9 ounces or 1.5 cups of chocolate, and we're going to microwave our chocolate in 30-second intervals. Then, we are going to take our egg yolks and mix one at a time until it's all incorporated. Next, we'll take and stir in 1/3 of our egg white mixture at a time until it's all incorporated. However, the correct way is to fold our egg whites with a spatula. So keep that in mind when you try out this recipe. Once that's all done, pour the batter into a greased cake pan. And when you do pour in your batter, make sure you use a spoon or spatula instead of using a whisk like I have done here. Next, we're going to bake our batter for 30 minutes in a preheated oven of 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 170 degrees Celsius. And voila! Our 2-ingredient chocolate cake is now done. Here, I'm going to sprinkle my cake with some powdered sugar. And some other options is to serve it with your favorite ice cream or with some seasonal fruit. And before we leave, we got one last thing to do, and that is a taste test. And with the first bite, it's like I bit into a chocolate-flavored cloud, and something perfect to enjoy any time of the day. So give this recipe a try, and I hope you enjoy. This is Anrae Reotutar. We live in interesting times.
Thank you for watching this video. Hope you've enjoyed it. Make sure you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to EBC Digital Nest to find purpose in the simple joys of life.